A new era is taking flight at Houston's George Bush Intercontinental Airport with a $2.6 billion transformation that aims to elevate the travel experience to world-class standards. Set across the vast 71,100 square meter Terminal B North Concourse and the innovative D West Pier, this redevelopment is purpose-built to handle record-breaking traffic. With a projected 40% boost in capacity by 2026, the airport is not only preparing for the FIFA World Cup, but is also setting the stage to welcome millions of international visitors for years to come. The upgrades promise seamless navigation, over 10,700 square meters of concessions, a cutting-edge bagging system capable of processing 80,000 bags daily, and a striking copper-colored ceiling inspired by Houston's natural landscape. This ambitious project is about transforming the airport into a global gateway. Can the airport complete these massive upgrades in time to handle the influx of visitors for the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Setting the stage. In 1969, Houston made a bold statement to the world with the grand opening of George Bush Intercontinental Airport. Originally called General Intercontinental, the airport was designed to transform Houston into a global aviation hub, embodying the city's ambition to become a premier gateway for international travelers. Built on expansive grounds north of the city, the new airport replaced the smaller Hobby Airport, officially ushering in a new era for Houston's air travel scene.
Which is going to be a great experience for the traveling public because of the fact we're going to get substantial increase in the number of curbs we have at the airport, which is going to really solve the traffic issues that we've got at Bush.
The vision was clear, a modern, interconnected facility that could handle vast numbers of passengers, promising convenience and connectivity with its innovative terminal designs and state-of-the-art rail system. The opening was met with excitement as 80,000 visitors arrived to celebrate Houston's leap into the future. Yet, as early as the 1970s, the rapid growth of Houston's economy and population revealed limitations in the airport's original design. As air travel surged, the airport began to face capacity issues, especially with the construction of the massive Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport nearby. While expansion projects were undertaken, including the addition of Terminal C and the International Mickey Leland Terminal, the airport struggled to keep up with the ever-growing demand. Infrastructure wear and limitations became apparent, challenging Houston's aspirations to remain competitive in the aviation landscape. Today, George Bush Intercontinental Airport stands at another pivotal moment. With passenger numbers rising rapidly, the airport is preparing for an unprecedented influx of visitors, particularly with Houston hosting the 2026 FIFA World Cup. United Airlines, the largest carrier at the airport, plans a significant 40% increase in capacity by 2026. Highlighting the urgent need for modernized infrastructure to meet future demands. The pressure to upgrade is now a pressing reality, and the stakes are high as Houston aims to offer a seamless, efficient travel experience to both domestic and international visitors. The planned redevelopment goes beyond mere expansion. It is a reimagining of Houston's travel gateway. The project includes the construction of new gates, a more efficient baggage system, enhanced security checkpoints, and expanded passenger amenities to provide a comfortable and intuitive journey from curb to gate. These improvements are set to bring George Bush Intercontinental in line with the world's most advanced airports, positioning it as a true global hub. Construction details. At the heart of this overhaul is the development of Terminal B North Concourse, a three-level, 71,000 square meter structure engineered for optimized functionality and passenger comfort. Purposefully configured in a double pier layout, Terminal B North hosts 22 narrow-body gates, carefully arranged to allow increased passenger flow and steady operations even during peak hours. Equipped with expansive check-in areas, enhanced security screening on the third level, and dynamic wayfinding systems, Terminal B North streamlines each step of the passenger journey. Meanwhile, Terminal B South Concourse is undergoing a profound transformation to adapt to modern aviation needs. 30 existing regional jet gates are being reconfigured to accommodate larger, two-class regional jets, reflecting the evolving needs of airline fleets. Inside, passengers are welcomed by natural light-filled spaces, directional ceiling and floor patterns inspired by Texas aesthetics, and intuitively designed pathways that guide them through the terminal. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Terminal B South includes a central concessions hub offering over 10,700 square meters of dining and retail options, ensuring that travelers have a uniquely Texan shopping and culinary experience. This concourse is designed to make every visit to IAH memorable, creating an ambiance that's comfortable, dynamic, and distinctly Houston. Integral to this redevelopment is the overhaul of the airport's baggage handling system. The new early bag storage EBS facility introduces an impressive efficiency upgrade capable of processing 40 bags per minute, amounting to an estimated 80,000 bags per day. This high-capacity system is paired with advanced baggage tracking technology, reducing common delays and allowing passengers to track their bags in real time. The redesigned baggage claim area provides more space and accessibility, ensuring that every arriving passenger experiences a swift and seamless exit from the terminal. Together, these upgrades address one of the most significant pain points in travel, making IAH a leader in baggage handling efficiency. On the other side of the airport, the D West Pier stands as a striking example of functional architecture that celebrates Houston's cultural identity. Opened in October 2023, this expansion added 6 new gates, specifically designed for wide-body international flights. A focal point of the new design is the expansive copper-colored ceiling, which stretches across over 930 square meters and draws inspiration from sunlight filtering through Houston's iconic live oak trees. This feature not only enhances the terminal's aesthetic, but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, symbolizing Houston's resilience and deep-rooted connection to nature. Beyond visual appeal, this ceiling serves as a grand welcome to international travelers, enveloping them in an environment that marries sophistication with local charm. Every detail within the D West Pier has been thoughtfully curated to reflect Houston's unique spirit and make a lasting impression on visitors. Adding to the terminal's distinctive design, a 116-meter LED feature wall follows the city's natural rhythm, changing colors and light patterns to echo Houston's sunrise and sunset. Unlike typical video displays, this LED installation is intended to foster a calming ambience, subtly adapting to the natural light and shadows of the day. This wall, positioned along the concourse, offers travelers a serene visual experience as they move through the terminal, reinforcing a sense of harmony between modern technology and nature. The D West Pier goes beyond just functionality, creating an immersive environment that speaks to Houston's identity as both a forward-looking city and one deeply connected to its natural landscape. In line with the airport's mission to cater to all travelers, several accessibility and comfort-oriented features have been integrated into the design. New sensory rooms provide a quiet space for passengers who need a break from the bustling terminal, while family-friendly play areas offer an outlet for children. The seating throughout the terminal has been upgraded, with more than 500 new seats equipped with charging stations and cup holders, ensuring that passengers have convenient access to power and comfort as they wait. Additionally, the mezzanine level will house one of the largest United clubs in the country, featuring sweeping views of the airport, providing a premium experience for travelers seeking relaxation before their flights. These additions underscore the airport's commitment to inclusivity and passenger satisfaction, ensuring that every visitor's needs are met. This ambitious project is set to achieve substantial completion by late 2024, in time for Houston's role as a host city for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The world will be watching as the city welcomes international fans, athletes, and dignitaries, making these upgrades a vital component in providing a world-class arrival and departure experience.
So this is a really game-changing piece of infrastructure for the city because it's really world-class. When people enter this facility, they're going to be wowed. I mean, it's got architecturally, it's fantastic. Customer menu-wise, it's fantastic. So it's a really good welcome to the city for a lot of folks that are going to be arriving here.
The urgency of this timeline adds a layer of intensity to the construction as teams work diligently to meet these deadlines, ensuring the airport is fully prepared to handle the increased traffic and international spotlight the World Cup will bring. Beyond the World Cup, the long-term benefits of this transformation are profound, positioning IAH as a gateway to the world and solidifying Houston's role in global aviation. The expanded terminal infrastructure will allow for more direct international flights, boosting global connectivity and making Houston an even more attractive destination for business and tourism. This improved connectivity is expected to stimulate local industries, enhance international trade, and attract a steady flow of global travelers, strengthening Houston's economy and international presence. The airport system already generates $36.4 billion annually in economic impact for the region, and these enhancements are set to amplify its crucial role as a key driver of Houston's prosperity. Further, the redevelopment reflects a strong commitment to sustainable practices, with LEED-certified buildings and eco-friendly materials that reduce the airport's environmental impact. Through energy-efficient systems and sustainable construction, IAH aligns with Houston's environmental goals while catering to eco-conscious travelers. The project combines modern design with Houston's cultural identity, setting a new standard for airport infrastructure. This transformation enhances IAH's role in global aviation, trade, and tourism, positioning it as a model for the future. As the project nears completion, George Bush Intercontinental Airport is poised to redefine travel, setting benchmarks for the aviation industry worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.